Hi, I'm Cathy Brown, ex-professional boxer, current professional boxing coach, and I've been in the industry for over 30 years. But what I'm really excited about today is I've just received my results back from the Biosynergy DNA testing kit. So I was waiting in anticipation for the 300 reports that you get, and it breaks down your DNA to give you advice and recommendations based on your DNA for what training you should be doing and how you can get the more benefit out of the type of training that you're doing. For example, I kind of knew I wasn't getting enough recovery time between my training sessions, but this just gave me absolute concrete evidence that I 100% need more rest. It also helps you with your meal prep and your meal planning and knowing what is the best thing for you as an individual to eat in your diet. So it breaks down, it tells you what supplements are more beneficial, which ones are not, your response to different food types, your proteins, your fats, your carbohydrates. And it's really crucial that you get that breakdown because, you know, even me in the industry for 30 years, I know what I'm doing, but it's good to sort of get evidence to show that some things are right that you're doing and some things might be still wrong that I'm doing. The really nice thing I thought about this DNA testing, not only do you get your advice about training, about what you should be eating with your diet, there's references, scientific references to show you where all this information has come from. So it gives you even more insight into how you can improve your health and how you can adapt your training to get even stronger, fitter, leaner, more endurance, whatever you're looking for. So I highly recommend it.